Okay, that took a while. But you were that. Now you just have a note. Okay, guys. I also have two more jokes. I will save it for the end. Okay, why is dog spelled with a K but not a C? Mommy, why is dark spelled with a K but not a C? You can see in the dark. Get it, Mommy? Yeah, but I have two more jokes later. Why do ghosts love up elevators? It lifts their soul. What's another one? I don't remember this one. Okay, we're going to two more jokes that you probably didn't know, Mommy. What do you call a toad? What do you call a toad that's upset? Unhappy. Get it? Unhappy. Unhappy, Mommy. Yes, Mama. What did the train conductor say to the kangaroo? Come on!
Magsusundo ka ba mamaya?
Ano oras?
11? Yung mga mag-i-investiture? Hindi. Sige.
Mami, look. Mami, doon. Meron, Mami. You can go there, Mama. Down, right here.